Get ready to explore 2026's top 5 air fryer accessories. These picks are must-haves for every kitchen. We'll evaluate performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Links are in the description and first comment. Join us as we review each accessory, starting with our first standout product. Let's jump in. Our first product is the 125-piece 8-inch square air fryer liners. These disposable parchment papers are a game-changer for clean cooking. Made from unbleached food-grade materials, these liners are both non-stick and oil-proof, ensuring an easy cleanup every time. Their waterproof feature makes them ideal for baking and roasting, compatible with ovens and microwaves. This model is perfect for air fryers between 5 to 8 kilo, offering a versatile fit for most standard appliances. For those seeking convenience and hygiene, these liners are a smart addition to your kitchen accessories. In conclusion, these liners provide an excellent balance of quality and practicality, definitely worth considering. Second in line is the Gourmet Air Fryer Accessories set. This 3-piece set elevates your cooking experience like never before. The set includes a silicone liner, an egg bite cooker, and a 7-hole cupcake mold, all BPA-free and non-stick. With heat resistance up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, these accessories are designed for durability and performance. Dishwasher safe, this set ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, making them ideal for busy households. Whether you're baking cupcakes or cooking egg bites, this set enhances versatility in everyday cooking. Overall, the Gourmet set offers a comprehensive solution for air fryer enthusiasts looking to expand their culinary repertoire. Our third product is the 400-piece 8-inch square air fryer liners. These disposable papers provide a massive supply for frequent users. Crafted from food-grade parchment, these liners are both non-stick and oil-proof, ensuring no mess left behind. They fit perfectly in air fryer baskets from 5 to 8 QT, offering seamless compatibility with various models. Ideal for baking sheets and oven pans, these liners extend beyond air fryers, proving their versatility. For anyone who values convenience and efficiency, these liners are an excellent choice. In summary, this bulk package ensures you never run out, making it a reliable option for regular users. Fourth on our list is the 205-piece air fryer liners 8-inch round. These heavy-duty liners are perfect for Ninja and other air fryer models. Designed for easy cleanup, they are oil-proof and non-stick, crafted from durable parchment paper. The round shape fits snugly in most air fryers, ensuring even cooking and easy removal. Compatible with baking, microwaving, and oven use, these liners add flexibility to your cooking routine. For those seeking durability and convenience, these liners are a solid investment. Ultimately, these liners offer a practical and hassle-free solution for maintaining a clean cooking environment. Last but not least is the U-House 9.5-inch square air fryer liners. These disposable papers are tailored for larger air fryers. With a non-stick surface, they ensure your food lifts off cleanly, reducing waste and cleaning time. Their square shape is ideal for baking, roasting, and microwaving, fitting a variety of culinary needs. These liners are made for those who enjoy hassle-free cooking and baking, offering a straightforward solution. For anyone looking for reliable and easy-to-use liners, this option is truly worth your attention. In conclusion, the U-House liners wrap up our list, reaffirming that only the most useful products made the cut.